sick and weary of exchanging your time for money by working a 9-to-5 job? Do you long for a reliable source of income that you can rely on even when you're not working? If so, you're not by yourself. Around the world, a vast number of people are searching for ways to generate passive income. Money that you receive without having to put in any effort is known as passive income. It can originate from a number of places, including internet enterprises, rentals, and investments. I'll go over 7 simple strategies for earning passive income in this video. These are easy ways to get extra money that you can start using right now without having to work too hard. First idea: purchase dividend-paying stocks. Shares of businesses that distribute a portion of their income to shareholders are known as dividend-paying stocks. You can get dividends on a regular basis even if the stock price is declining, which makes it a wonderful way to generate passive income. Concept 2: lease a property. You can get passive income by renting out a property if you own one. Although it might be a terrific method to profit from your investment, it's crucial to be ready for the duties that come with being a landlord. Idea 3: produce and market virtual education. You can make and market online courses if you are an expert in a certain field. This is an excellent method of making passive money from your work and imparting your knowledge to others. Idea 4: launch a YouTube channel or blog. If you have a strong interest in a certain subject, you can create a blog or YouTube channel and make money from it by selling your own goods and services, running ads on it, or through affiliate marketing. Idea 5: write a book or publish it on your own. You can self-publish your book and sell it on Amazon or other online retailers if you have a book in you. This is a fantastic method for monetizing your writing in a passive way. Idea 6: produce and market digital goods. You can produce and market digital goods like music, stock images, and templates if you have artistic talent. Using your skills to generate passive money is a fantastic method to do this. Concept 7: make a peer-to-peer loan investment. Direct lending of funds to people or companies is possible through peer-to-peer lending. It's possible to gain a better return on your money than you would from a conventional savings account, but you should be mindful of the hazards. These are but a handful of the numerous options for earning passive income. You may create an additional source of income that complements your hobbies and way of life with a little imagination and work. Recall: purchasing equities with dividend payments, letting go of a property, developing and marketing virtual education, launching a YouTube channel or blog, creating an ebook or releasing a book on your own, producing and commercializing digital goods, putting money into peer-to-peer loans. What kind of videos would you like us to make? Please let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more money tips. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching.